Hey y'all, this is Tabitha from Flapjack, and I just want to share with you how I did the sidebar here in my Flapjack blog and also here in my classroom website as a reminder for my parents. And it's just basically a Google Slides slideshow that I have embedded, and it's really easy. And the cool thing is I don't have to go into my blog or my website to update or change anything. I just open it up in my Gmail Drive account, make my changes, and it will automatically update onto the website or blog. So I just want to share with you how you can do that yourself. You go to your Gmail Drive account, click on New, and click Google Slides, and then you'll get a pop-up window, and I just stick with the simple format, and I change the slide size to standard. Then I like the square shape for the sidebar, so I go to File, go to Page Setup, click on this, go to Custom, change this to 7.5 so it's a square. Then for the background, I created a frame in PowerPoint and saved it as an image. You wouldn't have to do that. You could just create whatever you want right here in the slide, but in order to do that, I go to Background, Image, Choose, and I'm going to just drag in the frame that I had created for my sidebar. And then I can add whatever text that I want to. And then here, you want to just add more slides, and to do that you can right click and duplicate or Control or Command D. And you can add as many slides as you want, which is awesome. You can delete, you can change and update, and that's what I'm using for my class website to automatically, I can easily erase old information, add new to help remind my parents of special things. So once you get to this point, you are ready to embed it into your blog or website. I'll also show you, this is the one that I did of my latest resources at my TPT store that I have inserted into my blog there. And so as you see, I did here, I just did the portrait size, and if my cover slide didn't fit exactly, if they weren't all the same size, then I just added in some text like this. So it all worked, and it's going to be easy to just plug in new cover images or whatever when I create new resources. It's going to be super easy to update my sidebar. In the past, you know, with using end links and things like that, it just seemed really complicated. So anyways, now I'm ready to embed. So what I want to do is share this. First of all, make sure it can be visible to everybody. I give it a name, and then I click here on Advanced and click on Change Specific People Can Access. Anyone with the link can view and save it. Then I want to go over here to the left, click File, Publish to the Web, and then make sure I switch over to Embed right here. And then definitely want to go ahead and switch to small. That's still going to probably be too big. But what you will do is to kind of adjust when you're plugging it in. You can just put in whatever for the width, and it will automatically give you the correct height, and you can just keep trying till you get the right size for whatever your sidebar dimensions are. So anyways, I'm going to just click on small for right now. I'm going to click Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads, and also restart, so the slideshow will be continuous over and over again, and you can change the time. I'm going to do 2 seconds for each slide, and then publish. And click OK, and there you have your coding. So you want to copy this, because this is what you'll put into your blog, and then hopefully I can show you how to do it in my blog. So you want to make sure that you are in the design part if you have a blogger blog, and then go to layout, and then from there you would want to click on add a gadget, add a gadget, and then you would go to HTML, JavaScript, and then there you would just plug it in and save. Now I already know exactly, right here is the one that I've already done, and I tweaked it and everything, and I figured out that when I did custom over here, I just went to custom and played around, and I finally figured out the right dimensions were 250 and then 362. for my pixels. And so then I just save that, and then as you can see, this is how it looks right now. And I forgot to mention that when you are doing this, if you are doing your resources and you want it to have a clickable link that will go to the resource at your TPT store or wherever, then you just make sure that you click on that image and add in the hyperlink and apply it. And so the cool thing with that is that when people are here and they want to check it out, that it will automatically take them to that resource. So I hope you found this helpful. I also have a blog post about how I embed Google Slides for my class website to update the newsletter, the homework, subject resources. I embed a calendar. It is just made my life so much easier. So if you're interested and you like those kinds of techie things, I think you'll enjoy that video. So I hope you'll watch it. Thanks for being here at Flapjack YouTube channel. Hope you'll subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.